Hi, welcome to the tutorial on the parameters of a linear regression model. Now by the end of this video, you will be able to explain what are the basic parameters of a linear regression model. Visually, we saw that the green line we drew fit our data well. But the question is, how well? And if we were to draw this another orange line or this red line, each of these lines would also represent another linear regression model. Is there a mathematical way in which we can say which line fits our data the best or which of these linear regression models is the best? Please note that in case of a linear regression model, the model is nothing but a line, and the best linear regression model and the best fit line are one and the same thing. It is that model which has the least error. Drawing a straight line to fit our data or to visually compare different possible lines is easy when you have only few data points and even fewer input variables. But to find the line which will model the data in the best possible way with respect to few 100,000 points and tens of input variables is not as straightforward. For that, we will first have to learn about the parameters of the line and how it behaves with respect to those parameters. We can easily recall the equation of a straight line from the high school days. It is represented as y equal to mx plus c, where x and y are independent and dependent variables respectively. And the m represents the slope of the line and the c represents the intercept or at what point the line cuts the y-axis. The slope m and the intercept c are known as the parameters of the line. Now, let's have a look at how these parameters affect the line. Let's first look at the parameter c and how it affects the line. For the sake of simplicity, assume that the slope of the line stays constant. Here, we can clearly see that when we increase the value of c, the position of the line changes and shifts upward, but the angle or the slope of the line does not change. On the other hand, if we change the slope of the line, that is m, and keep the intercept, that is c, constant, we can clearly observe that as the angle of the line, that is the value of m, increases, the rate at which the value of y increases with respect to x also increases. I hope it is now clear to you what are the parameters of a line and how the line changes when the parameters of a line are changed. In the next tutorial, we will discuss how we can find the parameters m and c which represent the best fit line. See you then.